Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from XM Broker to your Binance account. First thing first, log into your XM Broker account. Once you are in, look for these options right here, more, and then scroll down until you see withdraw. So founding and withdraw. Now here's something important. You won't see any crypto wallet options yet. You need to verify your account first. After that, select your bank account. After that, select your bank card. This is key. When you choose your bank card, you will actually use Binance to withdraw the money. So here's how. Click withdraw via your credit card. And then on Binance, go to the deposit. So as you can see, you click on here, add funds, and deposit euro using your card. Select your currency, for example, euros, and then choose credit card. Pick the card you want to use. So here you can choose credit card or debit card, whichever you choose. Next, enter the amount you want to withdraw. For example, how many as you want, so 10 euros. Fill in your details, card information, and that stuff. After that, click pay now, and you will see a confirmation that your card was added successfully and the payment was deposited successfully. Finally, you just check the process, and yeah, you will see something like that from XM to Binance. But most important is that you give here the right information, so that you don't do some mistake and lose some of money. This is the more important stuff, that you know your right informations. So, and that's it. I really hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, consider to like and subscribe. And yeah, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.